Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to explore how to create a pyramid pattern of stars using Python. So let's jump right into it. Our task is to print a pyramid pattern of stars for a given number of rows. So this is the code implementation of it. So let me explain it step by step. So first we define a function that takes the number of rows as input and prints the pyramid pattern. So we loop from 1 to rows where each iteration corresponds to a row in the pyramid, Then we calculate the number of spaces required to center the stars. For row I, there are row minus I spaces. So this is the step where we calculate the number of spaces required to center the stars. For row I, there are rows minus I spaces. Then the number of stars for row I is calculated as 2 into I minus 1. This ensures that the stars increase in odd number for each row. Then we concatenate the spaces and stars for each row and print them together. The spaces we calculated here and the stars we calculated here will be concatenated in here and we will print them together. Then finally we will take the number of rows as input from the user and call the print pyramid function and we display the pattern. So let's test the code. Let's give 3 as input. So it's giving the pyramid pattern of stars with 3 rows. Let's give another example. Let's give 5 as input. It should give 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rows. Let's give 1. It should have 1 row which is only 1 star. So the key concept we learned are to use a nested loop, then string multiplication. Here we use the string multiplication, then formatting, combining the spaces and stars to align pyramid patterns correctly. So and that's how you can create a pyramid pattern of stars in Python. Pattern problems like these are a great way to practice loops and formatting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more coding challenges and as always, happy coding.